Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error "This app has been blocked by your system administrator" on Windows. This message usually appears when Windows security or group policy blocks an app from running. First, right-click on the app you're trying to open and choose Run as Administrator. If it still doesn't open, right-click again, go to Properties, and under the General tab, click Unblock and then Apply. Next, open the Start menu, type Windows Security, and go to App and Browser Control. Under Reputation-Based Protection Settings, temporarily turn off Check Apps and Files to test if security settings are causing the block. If you're on a managed computer, contact your system admin to adjust permissions. But on a personal PC, you can open Local Group Policy Editor, navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, and make sure Don't Run Specified Windows Applications is disabled. After that, restart your computer. Your app should now open normally. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.